How to fix your Windows 11 computer when it does not wake from sleep. Step 1. Restart the computer. Connect the notebook to its AC adapter or make sure your desktop computer is plugged in. From the taskbar, click Restart to restart the computer. Once Windows boots back up, return to the taskbar and then select Sleep. Wake the computer from sleep mode by pressing the Enter key. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 2. Enable the keyboard to wake the computer. If you are using an external keyboard, enable the keyboard to wake your computer from sleep mode. Search for and open Device Manager. Select the arrow next to Keyboards to expand the list, and then double-click on the name of your keyboard. Select the Power Management tab at the top of the Device Properties window. If the Power Management tab is not available, select the Change Settings button. Make sure the Allow this device to wake the computer option is enabled. Select OK. Return your computer to sleep mode and then wake it up using the Enter key. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 3. Check for and install updates. Search for and open Windows Update Settings. Select Check for Updates. If there are any available updates, they will begin to install automatically. To install HP updates, search for and open HP Support Assistant and check for and install the latest updates for your device. Select the Updates section on the home page of HP Support Assistant. HPSA automatically searches for and installs any applicable updates. If the issue persists, continue to the next step. Step 4. Run the Windows troubleshooter. Search for and open Troubleshoot settings in Windows. Select Other Troubleshooters, and then scroll down to the Power Troubleshooter and select Run. Follow the on-screen prompts to troubleshoot your power settings. Return your computer to sleep mode and then wake it up using the Enter key. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.